Hi, my name's Amir and today we're going to be showing you some tips and tricks on how to use the Lady Jayne Incredi-ball. The unique circular design is really lightweight, which makes it super easy to detangle and add volume to wet or dry hair. To achieve a more defined wave, finish with your favourite texturizing spray. The multi-purpose design means you can use it to detangle your hair and also blow dry and style it. To achieve a more polished look, use a sectioning clip so that you can style smaller sections of hair at a time. The unique design means you can use it in a few different ways. Firstly, you can go under to create a smooth, polished, straighter look. You can also get nice and close to the root and curl backwards to achieve a look more like mine. If you struggle with traditional round brushes, then the Lady Jayne Incredi-ball is a great place to start because it's very easy to achieve an everyday style for beginners.